I look like George Washington. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I do apologize if every now and then you catch like a random shiny thing on my face. Like 2.5 minutes ago my eyeballs were covered with bright orange glitter and now my whole face is covered with bright orange glitter. So things are progressing nicely. Anyway, today we're going to be getting into a couple of boxes which I'm pretty excited about, and also I'm pretty excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, which I will be talking a little bit more about later on in the video. But yeah, for now, let's go ahead and get on into the boxes for today, which are these two very lovely Ipsys. This Ipsy. Ow, wow, 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 wow. I smooshed my thumb. Alright, so today we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the one that I'm carrying on my shoulder like a person with a boombox from the 90s is the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. The Ipsy Plus is $25 and the Ultimate is a price that I will look up later and put on the screen. So let's go ahead and begin with the Ipsy Plus here, and I will be trying whatever that is inside that I can try on my face. Hopefully it'll cover up some of this orange glitter, but you know, glitter is glitter and it's hard to cover up and or destroy. Alright, so the very first thing I am seeing in here comes in a little pouch, and this looks like a little bag of like cookies or something. I'm really hungry. Oh, okay. This is actually from Honey Jarrett. This is a clean cover cushion, a semi-matte cushion with a mild formula for all skin types. Does that mean this is like a cushion foundation? That would be super cool if it was. Oh, okay, so it is a foundation. It says a cushion foundation that delivers excellent adhesion. Gotta have that adhesion. High coverage, that's real good, and great skin protection. This is pretty cool. Definitely something a little bit different than we received in like Ipsy's past. Ooh, she pale. I mean, I'm a pale person, so this might work out. Let's see. It's a little bit on the pale side, but it did seem to blend in pretty well, so I'll definitely give that a try. I'm pretty excited to receive something a little bit different from a different brand than the Ipsy. Alright, the next thing we have in here is from Hey Honey. This is the Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. It says it exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. Can't say I got much of that going on. When you don't really leave the house and you don't talk to many people, it's incredibly hard to be involved in any type of drama. So if you're looking to reduce the drama in your life, just be a hermit. Yeah, so this just comes in a little squeezy bottle. It says it is for all skin types and you get 2 fluid ounces of it. Oh, I'm sorry, I totally forgot to show you guys the bag for the month. It's just a little zippery bag, and it looks like we have some bathing beauties out relaxing, enjoying the pool or the beach, the ocean, whatever body of water you go to during the summer. I tend to go to none. Alright, so the next thing we have in here is from Dr. Brandt. This is a Pores No Mores, which gives a natural looking, backlight glow. I thought it said blacklight glow, and I was like, I mean, maybe in certain situations you might not make your face look like it's cool under blacklight, if that was even a sentence. Yeah, so we'll give that a try today. Now this is something that seems incredibly familiar and like I received recently. This is the Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner. I definitely just got this not that long ago, but this one is in the shade Coffee. So it's a brown eyeliner. We typically never see anything besides just black liners in these boxes. I don't know why I expected it to smell like coffee. It's just in the shade Coffee. The scent of coffee and eyeliner would probably be pointless, although I do love how coffee smells. So. Ooh, that actually looks like a very nice liner. Super, super pigmented, went on really, really smooth. And then finally, last but not least, in some boo-boo wrap, we have something from Laura Geller. This is the Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Ooh, I like the feel of that. It has like that very like soft texture to it. Oh, I'm already ruining it. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. The shades in here are just like super nice, neutral, everyday shades. We have Turtle Pond, Sheep Meadow, Belvedere Castle, Strawberry Fields, and Bathsheba Terrace. Is that the scary witch from The Conjuring? Alright, so that was everything in our first box. Let me go ahead and give you guys some pricing really quickly on that. Just kidding. They actually don't have the prices in here. When did they stop doing that? Did they do that in the last one also? I think they did. I'm sure you can go like onto the Ipsy website, or maybe they send like an email or something, but I like having it in my hand and being able to read it to you guys immediately. Also, it just helps in knowing automatically like if the box is like worth it or not based on what you pay for it. Plus, I like seeing sometimes like the ridiculous price that they put on just random things. Alright, so that was everything in the first box, and before we go ahead and hop on into our second box, I would love to tell you guys a little bit about our sponsor for today, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills, develop existing interests, and get lost in creativity. Right now, I personally have been cooped up more than ever, and instead of watching every episode of the Great British Baking Show on repeat again. I have been trying to de-stress as much as possible with the help of the course Creative Writing, Crafting Personal Essays with Impact by Roxane Gay. I don't plan on writing like huge big novels or anything, but it has been really helpful to like be able to get words down on a page in a creative way. It's really been helping me to escape a bit and express myself. Drawing, writing, and journaling classes can be a great way to help manage stress, practice mindfulness, and feel connected to others. Skillshare offers a membership with meaning. You can connect with fellow creatives and enter a community of encouragement, communication, and inspiration. So whether you're looking to fend off boredom or focus on self-care through creativity, or just join a community of other like-minded creative individuals, Skillshare is the place to keep you learning. And right now Skillshare is giving away 2 free months of their premium membership to help you explore your creativity to the first 1,000 people that click the link down below in the description. And then after that, it's only around like $10 a month. So just thank you so very much again to Skillshare for sponsoring the video and helping to support the channel. One large piece of foam. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and move on into the second box we have here. This is the Ipsy Ultimate. The Ipsy Ultimate. I cannot say the word ultimate without thinking of... What's his name? It's Jim Carrey, but like with really like pointy features. Which that describes him in a lot of his films. A series of unfortunate events when he goes like, ultimate dad. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and move on into the second box now. So we have another one of these little pamphlets, but again, there are no prices, which makes me very sad. If you're gonna put a pamphlet in there and use the paper for it, go ahead and just slap those prices right onto it. Alright, so the bag we have for this month looks very similar to our first little bag. I think they're a different base color though, but who would know because I've already lost it. Yep, there it is. So this one was kind of like a minty green and this one is a blue. It is also a larger size, which I like. Okay, well, right off the bat, we have this product here, which somehow decided to sneak its way out of its little home. We do have a repeat here. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. No, not again. Typically, that reaction to me seeing like a little sneak peek of something that was in the box, I'm sure you all would automatically assume like, oh, it's something from Wonder Beauty, but it's not. We have yet another, I'm pretty sure this is maybe like the 3rd time I've received this product in a subscription box. This is the Ciate London Dewy Stick, aka a little bit of Vaseline shoved into stick form. It's just like a clear balm and you only get that much of it in this stick and it's like 26 bucks. I don't know, maybe like some chapstick would do the same thing. This has just never been one of my favorite products. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that back on into the box and find somebody who does enjoy this. Yeah, a sheer universal glow. It's clear, of course it's universal. All right, the next thing I'm seeing is in a little bag. Okay, this is from Huda Beauty. This is the Basic Bee Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Straight edge. That was like a thing when I was in school, wasn't it? You had like your emo kids, your straight edge kids, and your goth kids, and me. Which is great timing because all of my sponges are dirty and I don't really want to wash one, so yeah. So this is just like a regular little beauty sponge. It does have a nice flat edge to it. It feels pretty good, not like too silicone-y, not too soft, not too hard. Got that Goldilocks thing going on. I don't know why, I really just wanted to throw it up and like smack it out of the air. That's like the first like instinct I had, which is way too like sporty of an instinct for me to have. Like, let's not try to show off hand-eye coordination because I don't have any. All right, the next thing we have in here is from Dulce. This is a Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. Ooh, this feels very hefty. I've received like a lot of little individual eyeshadows from this brand before, but I don't know if I have an actual palette from them. Ooh, okay, so inside of here we have some pretty looking neutral colors and then like a larger face product over here, maybe like a highlight. And it's called Freematic because all these are like, oh, well, they come out. They're magnetic and I'll never see that eyeshadow again. Anyway, so that's really cool. It's nice and heavy. I do think these are also pretty expensive. Like even the individual little pans are pretty pricey. All right, the next thing we have in here is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Lab Tokyo. It says this is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. That is nice. I mean, my hair is just so silky smooth and not frizzy or, you know, hay-like at all. So I probably don't even need this. But, you know, I can go ahead and give it a try. Okie dokie. The next thing we have in here is a little package of something. This looks fancy to me. Like, this looks like a lady's clutch. I don't know. I feel like anything presented like this has to be, like, kind of on the fancy side. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Ooh, it's a whole set of brushes. They kind of have, like, a bumpy black handle to them. They do seem pretty soft. So we have a flat top foundation brush, an angled contour brush, and then, like, a couple of different eye brushes. So that's fun. So we have a little guy in here. This is the H2O Plus Hydration Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. Just a little bottle of it. Some of these you get like full-size things and some of them are not full-size. I think there are 8 full-size and 4 not full size. That sounds somewhat right. Next thing we have is from BioRace. This is a pore tightening pearl clay mask. Okay, digging around in here. Okay, this is from Yensa. This is a Super 8 lip oil. I don't know exactly what they mean by Super 8. The only thing I can think of is that one Alien movie and that's it. Oh, okay, they're talking about oils, so I was a little bit off track. Oh wow, that is incredibly like neon. This honestly looks like a vial of something that you would see in a movie about aliens. Oh, it smells good. Ooh. It feels really, really nice on the lips. It is just kind of like a lip oil, so it does feel a bit oily. It tastes kind of good. Like, you know, not the best, but kind of good. Oh, let's smash the fish out of here. Okay, the next thing, oh, I grabbed two things. So close. It has been a while. It's been a while. I'll give it that. So you go ahead and guess it. We just like discussed like the reaction to this type of product that I get in my bag. Anyway, Clear. I'm sure you know where this is going. We have something from Wander Beauty, and this is in the shade Clear. Is it like a brow gel or something? What's this for? Okay, it is a brow gel. At first I thought it was a mascara, and I was like, Clear mascara? So we have a tiny, like the tiniest little wand here of Clear brow gel. I typically don't really use brow gels, so I might not try this out today so I can pass it along to somebody else. And then the very last thing in the box is from The Balm. This is the Auto Balm Pick Perfect Shadows on the Go. It's another cute little license plate. We received something from The Balm a little while back that was also a license plate, but I think it was like even teeny tinier. So this is what the inside looks like. We have an interesting assortment of shades, like kind of an aqua blue and like a more maroonish color. This here, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's got some like weird white stuff on it. I don't know what that is. The packaging on this is super cute. There's a little thing that you can pull. Why? I have to pull it. I have to know why. Can you take this whole thing out? I mean, that's really cute that you have like a little tin if you wanted to just use the little tin, but what would you do with this? I'm so sorry. Have I had pistachios in my teeth this entire time? Of course I did. Alright you guys, that was everything in the Ipsy Ultimate box. I thought that was a pretty decent box. We got 2 different palettes. We got some beauty tools. We got another Ciate London Dewy stick because everybody just needs 3 of those. But I do think it was a pretty decent box. Again, I would love to be able to tell you guys the prices like right here offhand, but unfortunately, I don't know why they stopped doing that. I feel like if you're listening, Ipsy, which you probably aren't, I feel like you should put your prices back in your thing. That's my official request. So put your prices back in the thing. Anywho, so that was everything that we got. I am gonna try all of this stuff on my face. I am excited to try the foundation. I do think it might be just like the tiniest bit light, but we'll give it a go anyway. And of course my battery. Now we're back in gear. We got a kind of full battery. And let's go ahead and try out this foundation. So it comes with its own little spongy guy here, and it did say this was full coverage. So let's see how this goes. Oh boy. I was hoping it would blend in just a little bit more. Like but it appears to not really be. Yeah, it appears to not really be blending in any more than that. It is honestly kind of a shame that this is far too light for me because the coverage is. I don't know what it looks like to you guys, but it looks real not good to me. I look downright spooky. I look like George Washington. The coverage and the finish actually seem pretty nice. It's just unfortunately a little bit too light for me. It is nice to see that they go very, very light in the shade range. I don't really know how many shades there are, so I don't know how like deep it goes. Hopefully there's like a nice selection of fair, very fair to deep. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you guys like an entire product. This was the last thing in the box and I didn't even show it to you. Okay, anyway, this is a blush. Oh my, it makes my teeth look so, my face is so pale, it makes my teeth look even more. So anyway, so this is a blush from Pixie by Petra. It looks like a very pretty shade. Oh, there's plastic around it. Okay, that makes sense. It is a very, very like muted blush, which I really like. I think this is a super nice, like very natural looking shade. Right now I'm looking for a very probably unnatural shade of bronzer to try to bring some life back into my face. All right, so I'm going to bronze up a little bit and see if I can bring just a little bit more color back into my face. Okay, I think it's looking a lot bit better with a bronzer liberally applied all over my face. I basically just use bronzer as setting powder, but I'm feeling a little less like founding father and, you know, a bit more, I don't know what means, but better. To bring even more life to my face, I am going, oh, I forgot we got brushes. Well then, I'll use this brush to put on a little bit of this Pixie blush. Oopsie daisy. All right, so we have a couple different palettes to work from here. I think I'm most likely going to be using mainly the Douce palette. I'm also going to try the highlight from the Douce palette. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It gives like a nice glow, but it's not like too glittery shiny, which I like. All right, so I think I'm going to do is take this shade here, which I'm hoping is like a camel brown and not orange. I don't know if I can tell. This I'm going to kind of set my eye with and just blend out a little bit. And then I might take this shade here. Is that brown? I don't know. Why can't I see colors? What am I looking at here? I don't know what this is, but this is going to go in the outer corner to deepen it up. The purple, what am I looking at here? Oh boy, wow. That's, oh my goodness. I mean, I know it's been a long time since I've done eyeshadow, but that's tragic. Okay, and then I was gonna take this kind of like shinier purplish shade and put it like right here. Oh, it's a very pretty color. You know what, let's just go real crazy with it. Let's just, you know what, I'm putting black. I'm putting black on the outer corner because I don't know why, and I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. For any of you somehow still watching this video, you are brave souls. Because it's not gonna get any better. Okay, and just because it doesn't already look like a bruise enough, let's go ahead and add some brown eyeliner, and then I'll do the same thing to this eye off camera to hide some of my shame, and then I'll be back to, that's it I guess. Maybe I can make it really thick eyeliner and cover up some of this. Okay, so there it is with the brown eyeliner. The eyeliner itself is actually pretty nice. It went on really smoothly and stuff. I typically never wear brown eyeliner, but I mean, it's nice. And you know what, if I stood like maybe really far away, just like really far away, I could like hoist myself back here. There's a solid like 6 out of 10 chance this chair's gonna break off from underneath me. Anyway, like from this distance, you might just be like, oh yeah, she's got like a smoky eye going on. So like, it's not that bad. I think if I had set my eye like fully first, it wouldn't have been that bad, but like the eyeshadow really clung, and I have like very stark lines of where certain colors are and stuff. So yeah, it's not the greatest, but I have no choice but to do it to the other eye. Alright, you guys, there's everything from the 2 boxes smashed together on my face. From a distance, it's not that bad. I really do wish that the foundation was a little bit more my shade. With everything on top of it though, I think it did blend in nicely. I'm really liking this highlight from the Douce palette. The colors in the palette were very pigmented, and that's maybe why I had some of like the patchiness issue. Overall, I thought the products inside the box were pretty decent. I did like that I got a couple palettes and things like that, but I would love to hear y'all's thoughts and opinions about everything down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about these boxes, or just whatever you want to in general. I love reading your all's comments and responding to them. And again, just thank you so very much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and helping to support the channel. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time.